Hello everyone, I am Manish Thokle. Today's video topic is sorting technique. So we see sorting technique. While getting into the world of the programming, a good many problems will include working with multiple instance of a similar types of data. Generally, this data will take the help of array for this their storage. The bigger questions is how to optimize the solution for a particular problems to fit within a particular amount of the of time. The generalized answer is arranging the elements within array in such a way that an order in is maintained. This is the process of sorting uses in many programming language like Java. Here are the five most popular and used sorting algorithms in Java. Along with the with time complexity, these are the best sorting methods in Java currently in the industry. Then we see what is a sorting algorithm. Sorting is a class of algorithm that are tasked with the rearranging the position of elements of an array such that all of its elements are either its ascending or descending order. A good sorting algorithm also needs to ensure that elements having the same values don't change their locations in the sorted array. Sorting is necessary for getting a uh, concrete understanding of the data structure and algorithm. Then five popular sorting algorithms in Java. Java is a flexible language in itself and supports the operations of a variety of the sorting algorithms. Most of these algorithms are extremely flexible themselves and can be implemented with both a recursive as well as in iterative approach. Here are five most popular sorting algorithms in Java. First one is a merge sort, then heap sort, then third one is the insertion sort, then fourth one is the selection sort, and last one is a bubble sort. So we can see one by one sorting techniques. So first one is a merge sort. Merge sort is one of the most flexible sorting algorithm in Java, known the mankind. Yes, no, then uses the divide and conquer stage for the sorting elements in an array. It is also stable sort, meaning that will not be changed the order of the original elements in the array concerning each other. The underlying underlining strategy breaks up the array into the multiple smaller segments till segments of only two elements or one element are obtained. Now element in this segment are sorted and then segment are merged to form large segment. This process continues till the entire array is sorted. Then this algorithm has two main parts. First one is a merge sort. So we can see merge sort. These functions calculate the middle index for the sub array and then the sub array into two values. The first half runs from index left to middle, while the second half run from index middle plus 1 to right. After the uh, pa- this is function automatically calls the merge functions for the sorting the sub array being being handled by the merge sort call. We see merge. This function does the actual heavy actual heavy lifting for the sorting process. It requires the input of four parameters: the array, the starting index left, the middle index middle, and the ending index right. Once received, merge will be split the subarray into two subarray, one left subarray and one right subarray. The left subarray runs from index left to middle, then while the right subarray runs from index middle plus 1 to right. These functions then merge to two subarray to get the sorted subarray. Then we see heap sort. Heap sort. Heap sort is one of the most important sorting methods in Java. That one needs to learn to get into sorting. It is combines the concept of a tree as well as sorting, properly reinforcing the use of concept for from both. A heap is the complete binary search tree where items are sorted in the a special order depending on the requirement. A min heap contains the minimum elements at the root, and every child of the root must be greater than the root itself. The children at the level after that must be greater than the children, and so on. Similarly, a max heap contains the maximum elements at the root. For the sorting process, the heap is sorted as an array, where for every parent node at the index I, the left child is at index 2 into I plus 1, and the right child is at index 2 into I plus 2. This all about sorting techniques. Thank you.